Hi. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make your Instagram account private. By making your Instagram account private, only followers that you approve will be able to see what you share online. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So the first thing is to log into your Instagram account, and once you're logged into your Instagram account app, head to your profile icon down below. From this, tap on these three lines and then access settings, and under this go to who can see your content, and under it look for account privacy. As you can see, it is currently set to public and I wish to change the privacy to private. So tap on this and you're told here when your account is private, only the followers you approve can see what you share, and this includes your photos or videos on hashtag and location pages and your followers and following lists. However, you have to note that certain information such as your profile picture and username will be visible to everyone on and off Instagram. Now to turn this on, just toggle on this and then confirm that indeed you want to switch to private. And here we go, it is turned on. So if I go back now, you can see the account has changed to private. So that's how you can switch your account to private on Instagram. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.